मेरे हस्बैंड दिन रात मेहनत करते हैं पर कभी बीमार नहीं पड़ते और दिमाग भी सबसे तेज। मैं ही नहीं, सभी मानते हैं। तभी तो
And the best engineer award goes to Nikhil Sharma.
काबिलियत तो सभी में होती है पर कामयाब सिर्फ वही बनते हैं जिनका तन हो सुरक्षित और दिमाग हो तेज। इसीलिए सोना चांदी च्यवनप्राश, सिर्फ इसमें है सोना जो दे इम्यूनिटी और चांदी जो बनाए दिमाग को तेज। सोना चांदी च्यवनप्राश, काबिलियत बने कामयाबी।
नूडल्स बनाओ, सॉस को मिलाओ, चिंग्स खाओ, सूप पिलाओ, सॉस में डुबाओ, चिंग्स खाओ, शेज़वान बनाओ, मंचूरियन पकाओ, चिंग्स खाओ। चिंग्स, रियल चाइनीज, टेस्टी चाइनीज। आज ही मंगाओ, चिंग्स खाओ।
Rajesh, who is this? Where did you get this child from?
Didi, we adopted this child legally from a recognized adoption agency. Come, take a look. Here is our online registration, and this is a report from the social worker.
Didi, then we met the baby and inquired about the identity. Then the agency, as a pre-adoption process, handed the baby over to us.
The agency has already filed a case in the court. We may soon get the order.
Oh, you did the right thing.
Always adopt a child through a recognized adoption agency only. For more information, log on to our website www.adoptionindia.nic.in.
मम्मी, पापा, अंकल आए हैं।
ओह, मैं चाय बना के लाती हूँ।
अरे भाई कौन आया है, कोई मुझे भी तो बताओ।
है कोई माँ जो साथ लाया है तरक्की और उन्नति का वादा?
कौन भला?
अंदर आइए।
अरे भाई कहाँ है तरक्की और उन्नति?
माँ, तरक्की छुपी है इनके सवालों में। ये है नेशनल सैंपल सर्वे ऑफिस के ऑफिसर।
अच्छा,
अगर आप हमारे सवालों का सही जवाब देंगे तो सरकार आपके लिए कारगर योजनाएं बना सकेगी और आपको मिलेगी तरक्की।
बैठो बेटा, पूछो जो पूछना है, मैं सारे जवाब दूंगी।
निभाएं अपनी जिम्मेदारी, NSSO को दे सही जानकारी।
Hello and welcome. My name is Vineet Sharma and I shall be your friend, philosopher and guide during this journey towards becoming better sales consultants. Our role as sales consultants is vital to Hyundai since we are the most crucial point of contact for every customer to experience Hyundai. Yogesh is a maintenance engineer at the plant. A small mistake, a little carelessness. He thought he was being smart and saving time. When he attempted cleaning a machine by bypassing the sensor, he lost his hand. Or take Ramakant's case. He jumped over the conveyor. Result? A fractured foot. Mohan was stacking boxes, as is his daily routine, and did not notice that one of the pieces was not properly stacked. As he turned his back, it fell off and brought down the whole lot. What a near miss. Stop accidents before they stop you. Think. Simple measures on safety taken every day ensure a safer, happier life for you and your loved ones. So be aware and take care. All right, team parent has arrived. Is the team adopted ready?
Dad.
What's adopted?
I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, so what game are we playing?
The next city.
I start first because I'm the littlest one. I think I'll go with Amelia, Primrose, and Premium Floors, which will be between the Grand Central Road and the Club Avenue Street.
Why?
Because their names are so pretty. And besides, I like the idea of one floor for one apartment. So even though the whole building is not ours, we can still have our own place.
Good point. And that gets us... what?
75 points.
Obviously, housing is important, so we'll build apartments here.
Fair enough. We can put them between Avenue 83 and Grand Central Road. And that would give us also 75 points.
Hey, that's not fair.
Well, it just goes to show that you need all types of housing, doesn't it? I mean, some people prefer to stay in a flat because it meets their requirements. Now, where's the doubt? I'm reliving my childhood with my son. It's just amazing. I'm more energetic and healthy than I've ever been. All that extra partying and excesses did take a toll on my health. My liver got affected and disturbed my entire health. Then a friend told me about different traditional herbs which have been in use for years to support liver health. And he recommended that I take Nutrilite Milk Thistle with Dandelion. It changed my entire outlook to everyday living. Today I have a healthy liver, courtesy Nutrilite Milk Thistle with Dandelion and their optimal health philosophy. I'm enjoying a 360-degree change in lifestyle. Living a healthier life is pure joy, and I feel so good being able to play a good game with my champion son. My time is definitely now.
Trust. It's something you feel deep inside. Trust doesn't need words. A comforting touch is enough. That's why every Maruti Suzuki True Value car is handpicked. Trust helps us find new ways. That's why we have a nationwide dealer network to support you wherever you may be. Trust helps us scale new heights. It's the reason why a True Value car has to pass 120 stringent quality checks. Trust is a great confidence booster. Trust is all about making it uncomplicated. Family of almost 1 million True Value customers smiling every day. Maruti Suzuki True Value, the side to trust.
Hi, are you using RO water or mineral RO water? Are you sure your water has minerals in it, that too without any impurities? In general, ROs remove minerals and impurities from water to make it pure. Everything is removed because the cartridge doesn't know what not to remove. A young office executive who's seen standing at a sharp bend of his office corridor. He's holding an open lunchbox in his hands, and through his facial expression, it seems like he's waiting in excitement. Then we see a couple of people walking from the opposite direction. Now these people cannot see the guy who's nicely out of sight because of the corner. A guy braces himself. As the people come closer, a guy intentionally bumps into them at the right moment, because of which the open lunchbox in his hand falls down and he gives a very shocked expression. We hear a voiceover. Bored of the same food every day? Cut to a hero inside a KFC store with the Zingkong box in front of him. The people who dropped his lunchbox are also seated next to him. We hear a voice. Turn it into a fun-filled Zingkong meal. As the side flaps of the Zingkong box open,